Hello there, this is Haspe with WTI, and I am not a coffee drinker, and I was really picky when it came to choose what coffee I was going to start drinking because I had to make coffee for my husband so that he had a coffee partner. And this Monte coffee from the Dominican Republic, which is where I come from, was my best option. This coffee is freshly ground in the DR, and I love the fact that the taste is super balanced. The aroma is really strong. So anytime I'm making coffee in my regular coffee maker, the whole house smells like coffee. It's just crazy. And everyone knows I'm making coffee because the aroma is incredibly strong. And I love that. I even like the strong aroma more than the coffee itself. It makes me feel relaxed and at home. And it is really easy to make. You can either use an automatic coffee maker or the regular one that most of us have at home. I usually drink coffee and I also eat some crackers on the side, and I don't add much sugar because this coffee itself tastes really good. And I've learned that drinking real coffee means not adding too much sugar or any other thing. So yes, but I think it's delicious, tastes amazing. And my mom really likes it too. She tried it not long ago. My husband really likes it. I'm so happy to always have a pack of these in my house. I definitely think it's worth getting, and it tastes really good, and that's my point of view.